Hi, hello friends. Welcome to the channel Do You Know? Today we will try to know how we can inject some fun into home science, especially in this quarantine time. We can engage ourselves and our children with some experiments that use items likely to already have at our home. First experiment. Extract your own DNA. Items which you needed for this experiment: small paper cups, bottle of sports drink or a strong salt water solution, washing up liquid, pineapple juice, wooden skewer, surgical spirit, food color, narrow container with a lid. Method to do this experiment: put the surgical spirit in the freezer for 24 hours before you start the experiment. Put 500 ml of water in a cup and add a tablespoon of salt or use the sports drink. Gargle the water and spit into a cup. Add some washing up liquid and a few drops of pineapple juice. Mix together gently. Then carefully pour the alcohol mixed with food coloring down the side of the glass so that it sits on the top of the sports drink or salt water mixture. You should be able to see the DNA floating in the alcohol. You can extract it by winding around the skewer. The science part in this: pineapple juice contains enzymes that helps to break down the cell membrane. Try extracting DNA from fruits such as bananas or vegetables such as spinach. Second experiment. Make a fire extinguisher. Items which you needed for this experiment: white vinegar, sodium bicarbonate, candles or tea lights, container or trough, large jug. Method to do this experiment: light the candles and place in a trough or a container. Put the sodium bicarbonate in a jug and add the vinegar. Then pour the resulting gas over the candles to extinguish them. The science part behind this: the carbon dioxide is released by the endothermic reaction in the jug. Third experiment. Measure how heart rate changes with exercise. Items which you needed for this experiment: a smartphone or tablet, Google's Science Journal app or on an activity tracker like a Fitbit, some energy for doing the exercise. Method for do this experiment: devise 5 different activities, for instance running around the garden, jumping upstairs, going for a brisk walk, shooting some ops or scoring goals, doing 20-star jumps. Use the Science Journal app or Fitbit to visualize your heartbeat or your activity tracker to measure it and find out which activity makes your heart beat faster. The science part behind it: after the length and the rate of the exercises to see how that affects your heart rate. Fourth experiment. Make a vegetable pH indicator. Items which you needed for this experiment: red cabbage, knife or food processor, boiling water, coffee filter, 1 large glass or jar, 6 smaller glass jars, household solutions such as baking soda, washing powder, lemon juice, etc., safety glasses or goggles, and gloves. Method to do this experiment: cut the cabbage into small pieces. You need about 2 cups full. Place in the larger beaker and cover with boiling water. Leave for around 10 minutes until the color begins to leach out. Use a sieve to get rid of the cabbage parts and leave you with a red-purple liquid. This liquid will be about pH 7. Divide the liquid between the 6 smaller glasses and then add a different household solutions to each one to test its pH level. The science part behind this experiment: The resulting color of the liquid will show you the pH level. Red pH 2, purple pH 4, blue purple pH 6, blue pH 8, blue green pH 10 and green yellow pH 12. Try making your own litmus paper for soaking strips of coffee filter paper in the red cabbage juice. Dry before use. Fifth experiment. Make a silver egg. Items which you needed for this experiment: candle, lighter, raw egg, jar or container of water, tongs. Method to do this experiment: light a small candle or tea light. Then move the egg around over the flame until the whole egg is covered in soot. Once you have a good sooty coating, gently place it in the jar of water. Look at the egg through the side of the jar and you will see it looks like mercury glass. I hope you will try all these experiments in your house in this quarantine time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the bell icon.